Next, part 2. The final niche might be the most powerful and the least competitive. It's what I call the Educator niche. Most people celebrating Cinco de Mayo don't actually know what it commemorates. The holiday marks the Battle of Puebla in 1862, when Mexican forces defeated the French army in a true David versus Goliath moment. And when your designs reflect that real story, something interesting happens. Your products stop looking like generic holiday merch and start feeling meaningful. You can build designs around Spanish language quotes, historical illustrations, or typography that highlight key moments like Zaragoza Victory 1862. Products like pajamas, robes, or everyday carry bags work surprisingly well here because they turn powerful messages into conversation starters. Even better, educational designs also support modern SEO and marketplace algorithms by aligning with experience, expertise, authority, and trust signals. So when your designs teach something meaningful, they don't just convert, they build trust. Before you launch your designs, there are a few quick SEO tweaks that can dramatically increase visibility. First, include 2026 directly in your listing titles and tags. This signals freshness to search algorithms and seasonal shoppers. Second, structure your listings so they're easy to scan. Use short sentences, clear product descriptions, and subheadings that highlight the niche, like family-matching Cinco de Mayo outfits or Mexican folk art apparel. And finally, pay attention to color trends. Classic red, white, and green always perform well, but 2026 trend data shows growing demand for cool blue accents and earthy tones like terracotta, agave green, and warm ochre. Those color palettes work especially well for heritage-inspired and artisanal designs. So if your current Cinco de Mayo designs are stuck in the taco niche, this is your moment to expand. Instead of competing in the most crowded space, focus on family celebrations, music culture, traditional craftsmanship, and historical storytelling. These niches don't just differentiate your store, they attract buyers who are proud of their culture, their heritage, and the stories behind the holiday. Start by auditing your current design portfolio. Look for concepts that could naturally expand into one of these niches. Then build a collection around it using the GearLaunch all-over print catalog, from apparel to accessories and festival-ready products. Because the sellers who win seasonal holidays aren't the ones chasing trends at the last minute. They're the ones building collections early and owning their niche before the competition shows up. So start designing now and turn Cinco de Mayo 2026 into your next big POD win. Ready to turn these ideas into real products? Head over to GearLaunch and explore the all-over print product catalog to find the perfect items for your Cinco de Mayo collection, from apparel and accessories to festival-ready essentials. Pick the niche that fits your store best, start designing, and launch your collection before the competition catches up. Because the sooner you start testing, the sooner you'll discover your next winning design.